Hi guys, my name is Jason. This is my project, a combination of an accelerometer mouse and a game controller. In this project, I used an accelerometer to control our mouse, and then the joystick is used to represent some the direction buttons on a game controller. Also, I used some push buttons to represent some additional functions on keyboard and mouse. Originally, I was using a breadboard like this, but during the progress I realized this is too big to handle because there are too many wires and buttons, and I have to connect a joystick and accelerometer to this, so it's very hard to use. And finally I got this joystick shell kit and put the accelerometer on the top of it, so I can use my device in two hands. And the main difficulty in this project is how could I convert the output of an accelerometer to the movement of our cursor. So if we put the accelerometer horizontally, and the output of the accelerometer will remain the same, and then if we move this, the value will change. So based on this, I set the value when we put this horizontally as a base value, and then we will read an instant value and use the instant value minus by the base value. The difference will be our distance of our cursor to move, and I'll show it on the monitor. So now we can see the distance is 0 because our devices stay in the same position. And now when I move it, we can see it shows some values of our distance. And if the value is positive, our cursor will move along the positive directions of x or y axis. And oppositely, if the value is negative, it will move along the negative directions of x or y axis. And also, the joystick only have two. If we push the joystick, the output will only be two values, which are 0 and 1000 and 1023. And so I'll set this as a trigger condition, and this is used to control the movement of our character in a game, a PC game. Okay, now I change the programming port to native port, and I'll show you how it's actually working. You can see now my cursor is on the center of the screen, and if I incline this bit to the bit, it will move to the right, and incline this side, it will move down, and incline here, and it will move up, and also it can move to the left. And also I have some buttons to represent the left and right buttons on a mouse. And I'll open for example, I'll open a document. Now if I double click this one, this is the rename. Sorry. Double click it. Oh, okay. I'll open the document, and this one is the right click button. This one is the right click button, and this button, when I press this button, it will write a Q to the computer, and this button is a combination of B, 4, and 3. So if I press this, it will print B43 to the computer. I set this combination is this is some shortcut in FPS games, so I'll show it later. And the joystick is WSAD. It's a WSAD which represents some direction buttons in a game controller. And now I'll show this my device in a PC game, and which is very famous, called Counter-Strike. And now I'll open a new game. Okay, you can see now when I press this button, it will build a weapon for you automatically. And also I can let's look around this map, and I can walk back, walk up, and shift left, right, and also fire, add a silencer, and cancel, plug this, and fire again, and change weapons. Okay, so yeah, this is how my device is working, and thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this. See you next time.